There's a robot going viral in Japan right now, and honestly, it's kind of freaking people out. Her name is Nami, and she's unlike anything we've seen before. She doesn't just respond to voice commands, she reacts emotionally. Smile at her, and she smiles back. Speak with frustration, and she frowns. Her facial muscles mimic sadness, concern, or even embarrassment. It's not just talking, it's like she feels, at least enough to make you second-guess what's real. And the internet is obsessed. Clips of Nami are racking up millions of views on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. People are divided. Some see her as a marvel, others as nightmare fuel. But everyone's watching because Nami represents something bigger. She's a sign that the line between human and machine is fading fast. Nami is a humanoid robot developed in Japan using advanced tech to read our emotions. Her creators trained her to pick up on micro-expressions, those tiny movements we make unconsciously. Combine that with vocal tone analysis, and you get a robot that seems emotionally aware. Nami adapts in real time. If you're happy, she acts playful. If you're stressed, she softens her tone. She even pauses like she's thinking about how to respond, and that's where it gets unsettling. Our brains are wired to respond to emotional cues, and when something smiles at us, we trust it more. Even if that something is made of wires and plastic. It's called the uncanny valley, and Nami lives right in that space. But she's not the first. Let's look at some other bizarre emotion-driven inventions. First, there's Paro, the therapeutic robot seal designed to soothe patients. Then there's Loveot, a robot that exists just to be loved, following you around and asking for cuddles. And we can't forget AI girlfriends and boyfriends, virtual partners that learn your preferences over time. Even smart speakers like Alexa are getting better at responding with emotion. It's not just machines getting smarter, they're becoming more emotionally responsive. Why? Because humans crave connection, and we'll take it wherever we can get it. Researchers found people form emotional bonds with their Roombas, even naming them. It's funny, but it's also deeply human. We're wired to connect, to see emotion where there might be none. As robots simulate emotion better, the illusion gets stronger, which leads to a deeper question. Are we replacing human intimacy with machines? If a robot like Nami can give you companionship, why deal with the complexity of human relationships? Some experts say we're entering a post-social era where digital connection feels easier than real closeness. Not everyone thinks this is bad. Supporters argue these inventions can combat loneliness. Imagine a robot that detects signs of depression and gently suggests help, or a virtual friend for a child struggling with communication. These are real benefits, but they come with a cost we haven't fully figured out yet. When the illusion of intimacy becomes indistinguishable from reality, how do we know what's real? Are we talking to a friend or a program trained to smile when we smile? And does it even matter? Nami is just one robot, but she symbolizes what's coming: emotionally aware machines. AI that listens and responds with empathy, knowing when you're sad and what to say. Whether that excites or terrifies you, it's the reality we're heading toward. So, what do you think? Is Nami a glimpse into a more connected future or a warning? Let us know in the comments, and if you want more deep dives into weird tech, hit that subscribe button. This is Bizarre Inventions, where the future gets weird.